Find a comfortable seated or lying down position, closing your eyes softly. Take a calming, deep breath in and slowly breathe out, releasing tension from your body. Begin your awareness at the top of your head, noticing any sensations or tightness that might be in this area of your body. Gently guide your attention downward, moving through your face, neck, shoulders, and chest. With each area, breathe gently, allowing any tension you might notice to simply melt away with each out-breath. Continue this mental scan through your abdomen, hips, lower back, releasing any discomfort, any unwanted tension. Now allow your attention to go to your legs, knees, and feet, sending relaxation to each part of your lower body. Feel a comforting wave of relaxation flowing throughout your entire being. Allow yourself to rest here for a moment, in this relaxed state, feeling refreshed and peaceful. Slowly allow yourself to bring your attention back to your surroundings, gently opening your eyes, feeling renewed and grounded.